Today I'm going to show you a really simple but great way of extracting juice from a lemon. Start by placing it on a surface and roll it back and forth like this. We don't want to tear the peel, but we do want it to become soft and squidgy like this. Then take a skewer and poke it into the end of the lemon. Rotate it inside the lemon, like this, and slide it back and forward to cut up as much of the fruit as possible. This will really help to release the juice. Then remove the skewer, and you can squeeze out fresh lemon juice. Pretty cool, huh? You could squirt it on fish. It's perfect for adding to your crepe for dessert. I really like a few drops of fresh lemon juice in my drink. Or you could use it to add to a homemade cake mixture. I gave it a big squirt here to get out a lot of the juice, so you really get the flavour. And if there's any juice left over in your lemon, you can store it in the fridge to use for another day. This will also help to keep your fridge smelling fresh. Pretty cool, huh? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.